How can I make a tuple out of a list? We can transform a list into a tuple using the Python tuple method. Since a tuple is immutable, we can't update the list after it has been converted to a tuple. Code. Month equals Jan, Feb, Mar, April, May, June, Jul, Aug, Sep, Oct, Nov, Dec. Converting underscore list equals tuple, month. Print, converting underscore list. Print, type, converting underscore list. Output. Jan, Feb, Mar, April, May, June, Jul, Aug, Sep, Oct, Nov, Dec. Class tuple. Explanation. The code scrap instates a rundown called month containing the names of the year. It then changes over this rundown into a tuple utilizing the tuple capability and relegates the outcome to the variable converting underscore list. The code prints the changed over tuple and its sort utilizing print, converting underscore list, and print, type, converting underscore list, individually. In outline, this code exhibits the change of a rundown of months into a tuple, displaying the subsequent tuple and its information type. Tuples, similar to records, are iterable and requested assortments, yet they are changeless, meaning their components can't be altered after creation.